guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. I already did my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pick up this shade, and this is the Morphe 3503 palette. I'm just going to sweep that on the lid. Next shade that I'm gonna go in is I'm gonna go in with this shade, and I'm just going to pack that in my crease. I'm going to pick up this orange shade, and I'm just going to add that on the base of my lid. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my concealer. So now that I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm going to take this shade, and I'm just going to pack it where I put the concealer. So now that I'm done packing that in, I'm gonna go in with this like shimmery orange. To intensify the color, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox primer water. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a wing. I'm done putting eyeliner on. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So now that I'm done adding foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade Medium. Now that I'm done setting my face, I'm gonna go in with my Bronze Please. my face, I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade, and I'm just going to sweep it underneath my lash line. Here I'm gonna go in with some crystals. So now that I'm done adding the jewels, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. So now that I'm done adding highlight and everything, I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.